Okay, so here's the current web page. This background, I'll have to see what we can do about that, but see how we get on these count up things. Okay. Okay, so up here's the general elements. So if we want a button, let's just see if we can check a button down here. Type default. Learn more, which goes to our team. But I think actually this you said you didn't want anymore. You can also right click on here and just delete them from there. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Student reviews, so 2 headers and a video and a link. Okay, so first add a new section. So these are different columns, right? Let's add a heading here. Student reviews, so center it. And here's what our students think of the course. Yeah, I mean here you can just change the text size. I think most of these defaults probably okay. We go back here, add another heading below, make this H4, H3. Here's what students think of the course. And this also centered, and then we can go to styled, and then here you can just change the color or typography. Let's just change the weight here. So the weight, let's make it not bold. And then next, got a video. YouTube video. Let's just check here. Okay. So this is actually, we don't want the embed link, we just want code here. Start time we can leave as blank. Yeah, it's already YouTube. There's a video popping up. Don't want autoplay, but I think keep the usually want to keep the play controls. Video channel, we don't need a overlay. And the style or advanced here. We can, what should we do? So you can see here it says use selector to target the wrapper elements. Right, so if we do here selector, you can just tab to autocomplete. Max width maybe 800 pixels, and then margin left auto, margin right auto. So that's nice and centered. Also on the actual element itself, we can just put some padding here, and then so that's the desktop view. Then for mobile, maybe we can just get away with with no padding, or maybe one EM. Yeah, maybe that looks good. And then yeah, you can just click back here, and then just every now and again just make sure to update. And then for the other videos, we've been adding a border radius of 3 pixels. We also need to add this, so it actually shows up, I think. Oh, we've got padding. So let's get rid of this. And there we go. Okay, got rounded. So also on the mobile, let's get rid of that. Yeah, and then here, so you can click these to get the section thing, and then the advanced. If we go to desktop here, we just add two EM radius around everything, just like the other sections. Well, it's gonna be a fun video. And then this we can put back to 0 or maybe 1. Yeah, just to keep things consistent. And then let me just check. Box shadow. No. Let's find what we've got already. Yeah, it's like this one. I think what I'll do, I'll just send you some, maybe some basic CSS which you can kind of copy for like these box shadows and stuff. And then also the what colors to use. And then it's the box shadow standard thing that we're using. 800, I mean, yeah, feel free to change that. And then what was next? Check out all the reviews, pages, student reviews. Let's update that. Grab the button below this. And then this should be centered. Check out all the reviews. And also, like the other thing is styling. We've got actually got here, yeah, green. You can't see. Yeah, which I think, yeah, it's already the right one. But then typography, I think maybe this needs to be, yeah, 400. And it also actually maybe this should be blue rather than the green. So if we keep green as all the main call to action. And then finally we can just put a margin here. Click this to unlink them, so you can just change one at a time, and then yeah, done. Just the student review section done. Well, now this one, you should be able to maybe duplicate this. Yeah, duplicate, and then we've got another one down here. This is called the domino method. And then understand how we can teach you fast. Also, if you're going to copy any text, just copy it into something like a notepad or something before pasting it in, otherwise it'll just drag all the HTML and everything with it. Okay, and then this one, I'm not sure what we can do here. What does it look like on mobile? Yeah, so maybe you need to do something like this for now. So we got this image, so that we can just do them. Get rid of this. Delete. This one also we can delete. And then we need some columns. Where is that? So maybe actually this is probably a new section. So foundational learning. So let's add a. Well, first, same thing as before. Just add some padding to this, and then on mobile set the padding just to 1 EM, and then it's already stacks vertically, and in mobile don't have to do anything. Here we're gonna add a heading, foundational learning. H4, yeah, large, and then we just change the styling so it's not bold. Nice. And then we want some text or paragraph or something. So you got paragraph. No, just text. Okay. I'll just text editor then. This, I mean, I'm not sure if this is, maybe there's a better text editor than this. This looks pretty crappy, but okay. And then here we'll just add an image, and then this image is going to be small, be that size. No caption, no link. And here we can just save image as, save all the images. This one, save images. Okay, and then choose an image, select files, and then we can upload all these at once. And the first one is the orange, yeah, the lighter, this one. Okay. Let's just see how that's looking right now. Oh, it's okay. Maybe it's too much blue. Maybe this change this domino method to the green. So back here, click on this here, and then just paste. Move over there. And these as well. Style, color, paste. Style, color, paste. And then now this one, just right click here, duplicate this, and duplicate again with Control D. And then this one we just swap around, and then there we go. So the next section is real application. And how to let's paste all these in now. Okay, so first up, real application. Real application. Okay, and then this one you just choose the image. Which one? Yeah. So media, save that, and then this third section. Master what you learn. Paste, copy, and paste. And this one, choose image, final image. We'll update that. We can have a quick look here. What's it look like? Yeah, okay, and then mobile should be fine. Okay, so what to do here? I mean, this one can be done with using Flex, some custom CSS, so it swaps the order of these rounds, so you've always got text or picture text, picture text, picture text, probably what you want. Let me just check here. This Elementor row, I think is Flex, yeah. So then display flex, flex direction, column reverse. So we can just add these. So this one's fine. So it's just these two. There's some custom attributes here, and then we want selector. Yeah, so that's what I want it to look like on mobile. This is gonna work. What do we want? Row. Yeah. So I mean, it's little things like this. I mean, yeah, probably not gonna know how to do, but pretty so this is basically style the mobile version first, so reverse the direction. So at the moment it's going from left to right, so if this was stacked in a column, then this would be at the top and this would be at the bottom of the column. But on mobile we want this image to be on the top, so we can set it to column but reverse the order. And then when the screen width is over 768, which is like a standard tablet size, then we can go back to this view. So if we go here and view it now, then we've got this stuff, and it's all kind of looking cool. And then but we've still got this every other side thing. And the only other thing, probably if you're looking at mobile and stuff, like some of this text maybe is a bit too big. So it's similar thing, like for example here, let's go to style, typography, and then size. We can just change on mobile and then choose a different size here. But yeah, I'll leave that for now. Next up, domino in numbers. So this is kind of similar to this section. We can just copy this one. So we just click on this, Control D, and then you can just grab this, move it all the way down to the bottom, and this is called where are we? Domino in numbers. And then let's just go back to this blue. So setting style, and then scrub the blue again. Okay, so here we probably want just a new section, but with 4 columns. Although we've also got there's a team member carousel, which maybe this will work instead. So again, I'll just grab these images first. Don't really want SVGs. Well, okay, so quickly here, team member social links, we don't any, and the first section is 100,000 plus, and then we just call this as students, and then we don't need a description. Choose an image. Let's just grab this for now, and then there's no image. So the style, so we've got the box style, you got the content, you got the image style. So these are for all the different for each individual tab. It's just kind of a overall styling. So you can see here, so maybe we just want a bit smaller, maybe like 180 pixels, and then you can style that. We don't have a description, but we do have a name. These are all a bit lighter, but maybe the position, you can just change the weight down a little bit. And back to the content. So the second one, 5,000 plus Facebook fans. Team member 3 is 4. I mean, there's more than that now. I think there's, say, 1,200 plus videos. We don't have any text. We also social links on this one. We don't need social links, and then just empty these, and then they'll disappear. And then for the content, just add the same image. Next. Yeah, that's probably much higher now as well. So 600,000. Oh, did I? Fuck. No social links. And we lost the first one, 100,000 plus students. And then this one also just need the add the image. Okay, let's update that. Register. So maybe, well, this we can get rid of, and we can add maybe another registration form. So yeah, if you go here to global, then this is this DC registration form I was talking about. So we can add this here, and then again, style, let's add some 2 EMs and then 1 on mobile, and then on the desktop obviously it looks massive. So let's quick easiest way. Okay, some custom CSS. So then selector again, and then we'll just do max width of 800 pixels, margin left, auto, margin right, auto, and we can get like 400, 600. Yeah. And then that's updated, and let's have a look at the home page now. Obviously this top bit won't be there, and then this icon thing. Register, stuff about Felix, domino method, domino numbers. Oh, that's 600,000. Let's quickly just fix that. I was wondering why it was hopping up. 600,000, and let's get rid of that. The counting up thing, yeah, maybe we can have a look at that, but I mean, I don't know. But yeah, let's just refresh this. Yeah, and then that's it. And then desktop. Check here. Let's go. This bit. Oh, it's just a bit slow. Yeah, there you go. So I'll stop the video here and then move on to the next